Good morning, everyone. My respected teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today is 26 January 1950. In that day, Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar had wrote the Constitution of India, and name of our country is given by India, that is Bharat. With the people of India, this rule and regulation apply the person promised by and the person who will put all the riches, including promise to member from 1 to 395. All are written in member I will read now. With the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure to its citizens justice, social, economic and political ability, of thought, expression, belief and the worship, equality of status and of unity and the promoting among them all fraternity during the dignity. Assembly this 26 November 1949 swore by an actor Lord Selvaji's Constitution. Thank you.
खूप सुंदर ऐकलं का रे सर्वांनी? मला वाटते अमेरिकेतला जरी मुलगा आणला तरी एवढं फास्ट बोलू शकणार नाही.